storm or a fire can be devastating. On top of potentially losing personal items, you're now tasked with the stress of getting your home or business back to the way it used to be. Water damage, smoke damage, and mold all have to be taken care of quickly and properly.
The biggest problems that I see in smoke and water damage is hidden damage. There's a lot of ambiguity when it comes to smoke finding its ways in between cavities of the wall, so that when particular cleaning companies come to do their cleaning, they surface clean. Other problems that we come across with water damage is hidden areas of moisture. So what we do is we use state-of-the-art equipment called moisture meters and thermal imaging cameras.
At Strongwater Restoration, there's a team of certified professionals that provide a turnkey solution to various residential and commercial disaster recoveries.
In 1963, my grandfather, who was a structural engineer, and my father, who was in his 20s, founded the company. Our services are emergency restoration. We go to the building within an hour after you might suffer a loss, fire, pipe break, hurricane, flood damage, lightning damage, etc. We'll go to the site and we'll do an evaluation. So my feeling is your house should be as good or better than it was. So we make sure that whether it's dry ice blasting, hand sanding, or replacing, because if I can't get that framing to a perfect area of visual inspection, then it must be removed. And that's my standard with adjusting a claim with an insurance company. The IRS does not do your taxes, correct? You hire an accounting firm to do your taxes, to document, to maximize what your benefits are for tax purposes. Although the insurance company adjusters and their consultants are great people and very knowledgeable and experienced, there's still an insurance company that has their guidelines to make money and mitigate how much money they pay out, because they're a business. So when you do your taxes, you hire an accountant. Well, it's the same thing. They might have a very, very reputable consultant representing the insurance company adjuster, but you want a consultant that also understands restoration.
The Spectrum Designs is really a business with a social mission, and that social mission is to create jobs and employment opportunities for people on the autism spectrum. And we do that through a custom apparel printing business, making t-shirts, hats, hoodies, pens, mugs for a wide range of businesses, and engaging people on the autism spectrum in all phases of production. Spectrum Design was introduced to Strongwater when we were looking to do a major gut renovation and envelope of a building in Westchester in New York. Spectrum Designs wouldn't have been able to get the job done without the support of Strongwater. They donated time, energy, resources. Mensch donated all the materials. It was a real collaborative team effort to get the project done. And mind you, it was done during the height of the pandemic, which brought a whole new set of challenges in that they navigated and communicated.
There's people in this company that have been here longer than I, and we're a team, and it's all about including everybody as a team. Everybody has a passion, and we take that passion and we bring that passion to the businesses and homes to bring them back together again better than they used to be.
With years in the business, Strongwater Restoration is really the go-to when you need restoration or remediation services. If you'd like more information, visit their website, strongwaterrestoration.com, or watch this segment again at designingspaces.tv.